Hi children, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay, here I am starting exercise 2.2. So in this first question is find x in the following figure. So we have to find the value of x in this figure. See here, if you observe this figure, it is a triangle, and here side BC is extended up to D. Okay, side BC is extended up to D. In this triangle, angle A is given, and it is asking for angle B x degrees, and outside angle, exterior angle is given. One exterior angle is given. That exterior angle is angle ACD is given. Okay, by using this angle ACD, we are finding angle ACB means the interior angle which is at C. Okay, and after finding this angle, we have to find the angle B. So see here how can we find these angles. Okay, so first write given angle A is equal to 56 degrees, angle B is equal to x degrees, and angle ACD means the angle which is exterior. So how much it is? 123 degrees. So first we have to find, first మనం ఇక్కడ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే C ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేయండి, అంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకు ఈ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే మనకి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ తెలుసు, ఇంకొక ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేసాం అనుకో, థర్డ్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేయడం వెరీ సింపుల్. ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద యాంగిల్స్ ఇన్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇస్ 180 degrees. సో 180 degrees కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే ఈ 3 సమ్ చేస్తుంది. సో simply we can find third angle. Okay, so here see here, so we know one thing, if this is a straight line, this straight line can be divided into two parts by using this line AC. So here some angle is given 123 degrees. So what is the total angle on a straight line? The angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. So here 123 degrees is given, so the remaining is 180 minus 123. So angle ACB, see here interior angle ACB, angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees minus 123 degrees. ఇక్కడ అర్థమైందా మనకి 180 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నామో, మీరు ఇది ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అనుకుంటే ఈ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మీద యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మనకి 180 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ 180 డిగ్రీస్ని ఒక లైన్ డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ అనుకోండి. ఒకవేళ దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ అనుకుంటే, సో ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ని మనం యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఎంత రావాలి? 180 రావాలి. టూ యాంగిల్స్ని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే y అనుకుంటే, y అనుకుంటే ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే 180 రావాలి. నాకు y కావాలి కాబట్టి y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 మైనస్ 123 చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో 180 మైనస్ 123 చేస్తే మనకి 57 డిగ్రీస్ వస్తుంది. 57 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్ ACB ఈక్వల్ టు 57 డిగ్రీస్. ఓకేనా? సో మనకి ఇక్కడ టూ యాంగిల్స్ తెలిసి థర్డ్ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ చేయడం వెరీ ఈజీ. సో టేక్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద angles in a triangle. What is the sum of angles in a triangle? Is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is given, it is 56 degrees, angle B is x degrees, and angle C we know that it is 57 degrees, equal to 180 degrees. So add these two angles, 56 plus 57 equal to, x degrees plus 56 plus 57, and it is 3, and 5 5 10, 10 plus 1 11. 113 degrees equal to 180 degrees, and x degrees is equal to 180 minus 180 degrees minus 113 degrees, that equal to 67 degrees. X is how much? 67 degrees. Okay, so I am explaining again. See here, so one figure is given. In this figure x, we have to find x value. So if you observe this figure, interior angle, one interior angle is given, one exterior angle is given. So by using this exterior angle, I am finding the value of C here. Okay, after finding C, I am adding these three angles. These three angles sum is equal to 180 degrees. So by using these two angles, I am finding the third angle. Okay. Okay, children. See here another problem. So here triangle PP are given. So P is 45 degrees and Q is 3x plus 16 degrees and R is 68 degrees. So here all three angles are given. So but here 3x plus 16 is given. So here we have to find the value of x. So given what are the angles? Angle P is equal to 45 degrees, angle R equal to 68 degrees and angle Q equal to 3x plus 16 degrees. We know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So add these three and equal to 180 degrees. So angle P plus angle R plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. We know that angle P 45 degrees, angle R 68 degrees, angle Q 3x plus 16 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 45 plus 68. 45 plus 68 equal to and 8 plus 5 13 and 5 plus 6 11. So 113 degrees plus 3x plus 16. Here 16 also there. So add 16 to 113. 6 plus 3 9 and 129 degrees it is plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. So we need only x value, that's why I am sending 129 to right side. So 3x equal to 180 minus 129. Then it becomes how much? 51 degrees. 3x equal to 51 degrees. Then I need only x, so that's why I am sending 3 to right side. Here it is multiplying, then it becomes dividing. So x equal to 51 by 3. So it is 17 times 3 into 17, 51. X degrees equal to 70 degrees. So what is the value of x here? 70 degrees. Okay. Okay, children. See here. So these two problems are homework. So here an ABC triangle is given. In this two angles are given. Find the third angle. And also see here XYZ is given. Here two angles are given and we have to find the third angle. So if you observe here, it is one unknown and it is also second unknown. We can't find two unknowns at a time. So observe carefully. Here these two sides are equal, means it is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle the base angles are equal, means these two angles are equal, y equal to z. Then by using y equal to z, equate these two angles and find x value first. After finding x value, you know this angle and also this angle. So sum of the angles equate to 180 degrees. Then find the third angle. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. See you in next class.